Josh. Hi, Hyper. Weird. My on YouTube, I can see Josh's and Hyper's check or chat here, but on my OBS, I only see Hyper's. That's so weird. Hey X, how you doing? Has some bugs I'm trying to fix here. Yeah, I hate when this asks me this. It never show again. Yeah, there we go. Why did I lose the focus there? Have I found the clip to explain my token efficiency? I did not. I'll explain that again here today. Give me a second here, and I'll explain that to you. Oh, your mic sounds a bit robotic, maybe. Okay, I'll start moving like a robot then, and to fit in with my voice for you. That way it's natural. Hey Nick, yeah, we launched yesterday, and it was a pretty shaky launch because there's quite a few bugs in the tool, and that's what I'm working on all morning, actually all weekend. So I stopped any of the new features or anything like that. Right now, my priority is any bugs you guys report to me. I'm going to get what you guys are experiencing fixed first, and then I'm noticing a lot of bugs on my end from poking and probing the software here, and I'm trying to get those knocked out next. See, like my team, when I close it and come back, it should load my entire team. That's another issue that I've been trying to get done here. And I'm so mad because I want to use my dang tool. And right now, I'm not able to. actually slept in a little bit. I usually I'm up earlier than this. Yeah. Yeah, that music's gonna put me back to sleep. Hang on here. I just need coffee. I think that's what I need. Okay, the respawn director works. That's always good. Where's my terminals? I should be able to. I don't know. Because I have some people on here, wonderful people who actually are supporting what I'm doing, and they are um, purchasing the app. So, and I will always reflect any um, any income that comes in based on this app and my other app. So, any changes, I will make sure that you guys are aware of what's happening. Should be able to click these. Even if they're not spawned, I should be able to click the roster and it should automatically spawn the terminal. Yeah, I'm actually still using a stupid desktop here. If I can use my voice here. Yeah, I don't want you to write any code or anything. Is it gonna go in there? Yeah, of course not. Of course it won't. Yeah, I don't want you to write any code or anything. I just need you to investigate it. That's broken too. Wow. Hmm. Yeah, she is. It's what I've been using as Opus 4.7. So I'm hoping I'll be able to fix a lot of issues that Opus or not Opus, but Sonnet 4.5 or 4.6, whatever it was, 4.6, whatever issues it was having. Would I visit North Korea for 1 million? No. Hell no. Hell, I probably wouldn't even visit California for 1 million. You about need 1 million just to pay for the gas prices over there. I wish I could copy this and paste it. That's one of the bugs I'm fixing right now. Like, I want to select this and copy it. And it doesn't work. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys or if you guys were around when I said this, but I actually started my fasting yesterday. I do a water fast. I do it about once a year. And last year, lasted about a week. Hoping to be able to at least achieve that this year and go longer. But today's my second day. Yeah. And hyper, I'm gonna summarize the token efficiency. I'm having this team member here to go out and scan the entire understanding of how it works and summarize it for me. So it'll explain it better than I can. Morning, Josh. Hey, Luke. Good morning. All right, so this is what um, Codex says about the token efficiency. Findings. Hi. The token bar is most starved in the current Electron runtime. Okay. Lessons for good usage. Uh, Active Electron. P2I is the oh shoot. P2I is the interface of the terminals. Um, also lead forwards. P2I data and exit. Okay. I mean, that's just token bar. I don't care about that. Hi. Forge Intel and slash wire, which these are my handlers that handles each layer. Savings are implemented as primitives, but not wired into the run sidecar. The render subscribers is actually that is an interesting find. It should have been the render subscriber to subscribes to Forge Intel token savings. Blah blah blah. I found a producer in the active Electron sidecar path. Wire proxy status is also still a stub returning wire proxy, not yet implemented. Oh my gosh. Hang on here. Dang it. can I copy from this one? All right, that's a bug. I need to fix that. I'm glad you asked that question. I actually wasn't even looking at that today. Um, so I had a code review done on the token efficiency, and right now the findings is the forge-intel/wire savings are implemented as primitives, but not wired into the running sidecar. The renderer subscribes to forge intel token savings and Electron shell, Electron, and preload TypeScript at line 190. But no producer in the active Electron sidecar path. Wire proxy status is also still a stub returning wire proxy, not yet implemented, and creates forge sidecar source main.rs or line 128, while the front end expects estimate token saved. I think those are, this right here is just for reporting. How it works. So architecturally, the intent efficiency path is index the repo once, let the agents ask for symbols, sections, ranked text instead of whole files, shrink responses through detailed projections and ForgeWire, cache repeated tool results. So any repeated tools, it strips those out. And show save tokens in a token bar. That's design is coherent and the primitive test passes. Optionally, the current app does not fully realize that yet. The UI savings model works if events are injected, but the active Electron host and sidecar are not. Okay, that's an issue too. Uh, there. All right, so the other thing is the current app does not fully realize that the UI saving models works if events are injected, but the active Electron host and the sidecar are not emitting the providers. Forge Intel or wire proxy savings events, it depends on. So today, all that. So right now, all of our token efficiencies are partially working. Some of it's not wired in. Some of it's just not active. So that's a huge bug that needs to be addressed today. Um, yeah, it's not giving me a direct answer here. Yeah, you're right. It does sound like foreign language, and I was hoping it would give it in plain English of what it's doing. And if it doesn't do a good job, I'll try to use my own foreign language for you. It probably sound more coherent than what they're saying here. Here, without a huge line or let's just that would go away. I can't even text that. That's funny. Go away. There he goes. In simple terms, right here, this is what I asked it to do. I wanted to explain it to me in simple terms for me. Um, it saves tokens by giving agents only the specific code context they need instead of dumping whole files or huge repo chunks into the model. So it indexes the project. Agents can ask for function symbols, search results, or ranked context. The system returns small summaries, signatures, file paths, and target snippets. If there is a token or if there is a token budget, it keeps the most important context and shrinks the rest to a shorter signature only entries. Um, it caches repeated results, so the same context does not need to be rebuilt every time. It has a okay, so yeah, even that didn't explain it. Okay, so I'll do my best to explain it. I mean, it sort of does. I have tools that there. I have 3 layers that my tools touch. You have the terminal, which is just your regular shell, right? That's this is your terminal, and then you have your CLI, whichever your provider is. So if I have Claude, I load that, launch it. Uh, Now inside the terminal is the CLI. So that's layer 2. And the third layer is the HTTP request, which is it's an API that sends out all your content to the cloud service. In this case, it would be Anthropic's. That's where the actual brain lives. And this tool it's a link between the actual brain and us for our interface. So anytime, like right now, this is a fresh start. Nothing happened. Well, behind the scenes, stuff is already happening, or it already happened. It actually sent out to the brain that we're connected. It's actually creating a log list, and then it comes back and says we're live, we're good, but they don't give us that text. It doesn't need to be there. However, there's some of that data that's in there. So if I just say hello world, so now at this point, when I typed it, it went from my terminal to the CLI to Anthropic, and then it ran its tools over there, and it knew what to respond to, and then it sent it back, hello, how can I help you? And that goes back through those layers again, so you could visualize it. What my tool does is these 2 words here, that's part of your context. What you don't see there that's interjected in between is all the tool calls. That all gets sent in and then comes back out. So anytime I create or send a new message, like I'm going to say ping, it has to send all the old messages we've already sent again on top of our new one. So it just keeps appending. And every time we send something, it sends the whole thing and sends it back. And it keeps going. So the reason why it does that is because your session with the LLM, that's your current memory of what's happening, what the conversation's about. And as that grows, the better it has an understanding of the context of the conversation. But there is a lot of stuff in there that it doesn't need. So you have a Claude.md file, which it gives the Claude instructions, and every agent usually has their own instruction type file or skills or rules. So the Claude has to read those instructions, and every time you send a prompt, just in case there's an update or anything like that. So that gets repeated over and over and over, and your context just grows. So my tool will go in there and strip out the unneeded redundancy of all the same things. You know, it's already read it. It doesn't need to reread it again on the earlier attempts. And all the tool calls are in there as like a log, and it strips all that information out that it doesn't need, or any other redundant ones. But it does have to remember some tool calls, so it understands what it last did, especially if you're trying to fix something, and it could reference to, okay, it can actually reread through the whole conversation from the very beginning to now to understand everything that happened up to that point. And it'll say, "Oh, wow, I ran that tool already, so and that didn't work. Let me go ahead and do this instead." And this is what the thinking process does that you normally don't see. Um, so I don't pull out every single part that I can, but I try to shrink that context window as much as I can for every input and output that goes through. AX. So was that a better explanation? Yeah, I don't care how long you think it's going to take. I want it done. You have no concept of time, so you just do it until it's done. I hate it when AI does that crap. They're like, "Oh gosh, man, it's going to take me 2 to 4 hours to do this," or "Oh, this is a full day's worth of work here," or "Oh, this one, oh, that's 2 to 4 days. Whew, we can't touch that one right now." It's like I'll have it do like the 2 to 4 days one, and it'll be done in 15 minutes. Then they're like, "I'm done." It's like, where do you get your time from? So interesting. Thank you, Hyper. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. I do need to reload this stuff. Well, one thing I wanted to check was okay. So that did help there. Good, perfect. That could be slowing things down right now. Hey, Cliff, how you doing? I am doing good. I'm doing excellent. It may not sound like it. I just woke up and I just started working on this. I need to uh, get these bugs fixed. I'm glad you're doing good. I mean, it is Friday. I killed my Claude. It's dead. What's the best AI you would recommend to being with? So for coding, I trust Claude. If I had to do a fallback, it would be Codex in that order. And then, of course, after Codex, um, it's split between Cursor and Gemini. They both are about equal. And then it just depends. After that, they're all pretty much the same. And your free AIs, which so an open code. Oh, a new version? No, not right now. If you're gonna do a local AI, Quinn is really good. Quinn Coder. For the size it is. And I've actually, when I set up open code, I was playing with some of the free models in here. And the one that they start you off with is called Big Pickle. I was actually really impressed with Big Pickle. I was like, are you serious? That's awesome. Oh, DeepSeek is up there too. I apologize. I totally forgot about DeepSeek. So DeepSeek was trained by Claude, or they used Claude to train it. So for coding, that's up there. I don't think they have a CLI, to my knowledge, but they do have an API, and it's the cheapest API out there right now. So, if you're trying to save on spending, then either go with the free or something like if you're using API, go for DeepSeek. But I want to show you guys something here. One of my subscribers sent this to me, and I thought it was very cool, and I wanted to share this. The heck was that? Find it here. I got such wonderful followers here. You guys are all great. Bring up a so this, and I'll send it to you guys a link. This is a short on a tool that's a lot like what I'm building, and of course one of my followers was asking if it was the same as what I'm building, and I looked into it and I'm like, actually it is. So let me kill my music here so you guys can actually hear this. Turn this up for you.
This thing is ranked #1 on GitHub right now. It's completely free, and almost nobody has set this up yet. So here's the deal. It's called Rooflow, and basically what it does is it spins up 60+ AI agents that all work together to build whatever
Now 60+ AI agents, that seems quite a bit, but
you want. And they actually get better after every single run. Pretty freaking cool. So you've got queen agents that manage the teams and tactical agents that handle all the actual work. Researching, coding, testing, reviewing, all of it. And they all share a collective memory so they improve over time. But here's the thing that makes this insane. It figures out how complex your task is and routes it to the right model automatically.
Yeah, that's exactly what mine's built to do as well.
immediately. Simple task goes to a cheap model. Complicated task goes to a powerful one. So you can cut your token usage by up to 50%.
And make that claim, not from the token efficiency injections that they have, but if you're spreading your task to different models, your one model, like Claude, it's not being used as much, but you're getting as much work done. So if you're using free Codex, GPT, it'll try sending it all to that. So that's how they're doing a token efficiency, is just um,
And extend your Claude code usage by 250%.
yeah, that's because it's it's not sending it all the tasks to 60 Claude instances. It's sending it to a whole bunch of different AIs that you had to set up. That's the only bad downside of that.
That's
But
nuts.
I'm just making that just based off of what he's saying. I have not looked at the tool yet.
It's open source, completely free, and ranked #1 on GitHub. Not bad. Check my pinned comment below
Hey,
for the
Jabber.
link. This thing is ranked #1.
So, anyways, I want to share that with you guys. It's called Rooflow, and I'll
This
see
thing
if
is ranked #1.
did put in his description. Let's see. He did not.
Is this for me?
This thing is ranked #1
All
on
right.
GitHub right now.
But yeah, I thought that was interesting. So if you guys want to check that out and see how well that works, that'd be awesome. Jabber, so what's my plan to improve the ARR? Time and hard work. That's my plan. So the best AI to begin with, any of those you could start with. That's okay. Any of those you can start with. Whatever, whatever one that you already have currently, that's the best one to start with. If it's Claude, use Claude. If it's Codex, use Codex. Don't go around chasing AIs like, for the next biggest AI. Yeah, Clueless. Hang on here. It might be. Is it like too loud or am I sounding robotic? Someone else said that too. No, not you. Go down to 5. Yeah, no, Hyper, you did. Clueless was saying that it sounds really messed up right now too, and Clueless is over on Twitch, so it's apparently not just you. And same thing. Said it was robotic. Yeah, I don't know what's causing this. My stream is showing healthy, so I don't know. So I want you to build it into a dev so I can test it before we launch it. Um, so Hyper, back to what I was saying. Whatever current one you already have right now, I wouldn't go chasing different AIs to find a better one. Now, I like Claude, and the majority of people who use Claude feels it's one of the best ones out there for coding, and I am in that group that agrees with that. But there is some people that prefer other type of agents, like Codex or Gemini, and they have their reasons to like them. So, and if you want to try each one, a lot of these they already have free ones or free versions of it that you go and test each one. But usually you have to do it on their website or whatever their web interface is. Unless you like, if you download Cursor, and I think they have a free version, you just download it, and or even Visual Code, they have you can select different AIs in there to test them out with, so you get a good feel of each one. Oh, that's right. It's I don't know why. So the dev version, it gives me a console here so I can look at what's going on, and for some reason it's always showing a blank screen. So any dev build that you give me, it always shows a blank screen. It's not loading anything. I just want you to see this. I mean, it'd be nice to be able to get the full functionality of the tool like we have in preview and dev, because I would have my debug console here. And if you get that working, that'd be great. Quig, yeah, you're right. The reason why I do the screenshots is just for like a reference point. And I try to, like right now, my brain's still sleeping. I'm tired right now. And I just kind of go with the flow to keep it working here. I'll be right back. I think I'm going to go make some coffee. Oh, hang on. Hey, Hyper. Yeah, now's a good time to start if you're new at it. Um, it's still showing. Yeah. Um, so, if you guys ever seen one of these, you put your coffee grinds in there, get your cup, set it on top, get some hot water, and you just pour it in, and you'll be making fresh coffee. I have this macadamia nut coffee. It's so good. Just the aroma, the smell. Hey, Lego. Long time no see. Thank you for coming back. I did. Hey, thank you so much. It is full of bugs right now. I don't encourage anybody to buy it right now. If you want to play with it, you can download the free one and try it out and stuff. But I don't, if you pay for it, that's because you're supporting me. That's it. And I'm going to keep crunching it until it gets good. Oh, this is hot. But pour some more in. I'm making coffee right now. Here, let me see if I can adjust this a little bit here. So you guys can see. Same thing. The screen came up and it was just blank. And it only happens in a debug. It doesn't happen in the live or the preview builds. Making meth. Making coffee. To me, that's my meth. Yeah, Lego. This is it's a decaf, but it's a macadamia nut coffee, and it's so good. Hey, Cal. I am working on our agentic tool. I can't launch it right now because my AI here is in the middle of building it. So actually, I'll show you the website. That might help. Um, so it's a agentic development environment that allows you to orchestrate your vibe coding with multiple agents. There's like 100 of these out there on the internet. In fact, earlier I showed off one that one of my viewers showed me, a free one that I think you guys should check out. I think it's pretty cool. It's called Rogoff. Actually, I could see if I can check it out here. So Rogue Off AI. Uh, GitHub. Just the only problem is that in that link he didn't show off the tool or anything. Oh, Duncan Rogoff. That's someone's last name. Okay. Duncan. Is it? This is the
This
short.
thing is ranked #1 on GitHub right now. It's completely free, and almost nobody has set this up yet. So here's the deal. It's called Rooflow.
Roof Flow. That's the name of it. Hang on here. Roof Flow GitHub. That's it. Yeah, so this one's free. If you guys want to check this out, if you want to get into, uh, get to something until you could use my tool or something. My coffee is done. Hang on, I gotta go throw this away. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of tools out there for vibe coding, AI orchestration. That's what one of my watchers, listeners, showed this to me to check out, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm not quite sure how it works. You guys will have to try it out, see if it's something you would like. But uh, there's really no screenshots or anything of it working. Yeah, here you go. So I thought that was pretty cool. Um, yeah, you are pretty good. And that's the other one. Another one that Leo shared with me before is called, what was it again, Lego? Was it clip art or clips? Paperclip. That's it, Paperclip. And that's also another free one out there. Thank you, Clueless. I need my coffee. Sorry. Um, it might be my upstream for my internet that's causing the roboticness. Okay. Yeah, I don't understand why it's doing that. It's still the same issue. You know what? That's fine. Yeah, I would like to get the dev part working because it's got the debug tools on there. And if we can get everything uh, showing up on the debug, like I said, it works fine in the live view or the preview when you build it. So I don't know what the difference is between what you're building for dev versus what you're building for the preview, but there's definitely some missing components or something that's not enabled. That's what the debug's for, right? So I can click on the error and send them. Yeah, you're right. I should have done that. Next time he runs it, I'll do it. Like I said, I haven't. I'm trying to get my coffee in me so I can think better. My brain feel. Right now, I'm just. I was up till 2:30 in the morning last night. I started streaming at 6 today. Um, I know poor Quig. He's over there just slapping me across the room right now in his. Or at least he wishes he could, because how many mistakes I'm making today. Okay. At least that loaded up fast. These are not loading up as fast, though. There they go. Ah, testing 1, 2. That's probably not going to work. Yeah, that's a known issue. Testing 1, 2. Yeah. If you click away and click back into the box, it'll work. It's weird. Um, actually, I want to go back to the. Yeah, if you could actually load the dev view again. One thing I didn't do and I should have done, one of my viewers actually told me to do was, and the console log that shows up, capture the error and send that to you, and that might help you find out why things aren't viewing in a dev view. Let's do that. Yeah, I could do that. I can figure out how to do that. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Or send me the instructions on how to do that, Lego. Amazing. How you doing? Hello to you. Good morning or evening or afternoon, wherever you're at. How's your guys' day so far? Hey, amazing. Yeah, I met you the other day when you actually came on and you joined the Discord and stuff, and really appreciate you even coming back. Lego's a cool guy. I actually like Lego. So you must be a cool person too if he finds you interesting and a friend. Oh, here it is right here. I got two of them running. That's funny. Wait, is this my dev view one? Look at that. Even got it working. That's cool. Why is this other one running now? Well, we don't need two of them, do we? Let's get rid of that. And we can work with this. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see if I could get my guy here to crunch it. Yeah, this is actually looking a little better. Let's see, and of course that happens. Yes, you amazing. Um, wow. Hey, Quig. All right, so I'm in the console tool here, and I want to copy like you would on a web browser, right? Right click. They don't give you a copy option. I can save it, but they don't give you a copy option. What a pain. Um, that's fine. Right, documents. Let's see what this is saying. It's Claude to fix the errors. Yeah, yeah, I'm definitely working on that today. They're all repeat errors. I'm gonna send it all. Now, let's see, can I paste in here? Nope. Nope, that's still broken. But I want to click around and generate more errors. So let's clear this. And let's see what we can come up with here. So if I spawn new agent, where do my other agents go? Look at that. That is awesome. Okay. Copy object. Oh, it does have a copy. And that was a big one too. And did I copy both of them? No. But that's good to see. Okay. Now let's find some more here. Let's exit these, and then exit these. Stop all. Confirm. Don't you go away. My spawn button's gone. Yeah. But that is another error. Capture. And then oh, because the team still exists though. That's why that wasn't there. Okay. Open that one up. And I think that's a good start there. So let's close this out. Maybe it'll help me figure out some of those issues. Hey, Coda World. Vibe coding and vibe coding tool with vibe coding for vibe coders. I love it. Yep, that's it. What are you vibe coding? Hey, amazing. Just vibe coding my tool. I'm a world that never exists. Hey, Cal. Yeah, it seems like I may take 2 steps forward, but I've been taking 1 step back every time too. I do.
So that's for design.
And this is that project you guys have been working on together? Oh,
Don't,
okay.
because people don't listen.
So what am I looking at here?
Alright, so we're supposed to make a tinfoil boat sink. And
Rocks in it.
no, he's going No. He's gonna sink it. We have to get a full passing. We have to get $5 in pennies. I know it's pennies, but he finds his way.
To hold for weight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we get like 10 feet of aluminum, like each.
Okay.
So that's our design. I think it's gonna fail because every time that we do it, the tinfoil keeps falling off.
So it's all about surface area when it comes.
Well, everyone else like has theirs, but
Yeah, you can make a very round with tinfoil. Just make a little round thing and just bring up edges, and you'll have a huge surface area. So you can put all your pennies in there, and it won't sink. It's buoyancy. That's pretty cool, though.
yeah, that's our bell work that we have to do every day.
Are you allowed to take pictures of it while you're in school of your work?
Yeah.
Ask your teacher, like when you're doing this or experiment it. I want you to video record it, and I want to watch it fail. I mean, I want you to watch it pass. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, I'm aware of that Lego. It's there's a lot of issues right now that I'm crunching. Just report any of the bugs in the bug report in Discord and take screenshots and mark down exactly what you see. And I'm crunching them. Hey, Kel, thank you for that. Go to world, you're 2 steps behind. Nah, you're at the right place you need to be. One of my viewers says they love your sweater. Rebecca, one of my viewers says they love your sweater. She says thank you. Thanks, Lego, for creating it. I was talking to one. You guys are getting ready to get out of here, right? You guys getting ready to get out of here? Okay. Well, you guys have a good day. Love you both. Okay. All right. Um, you want to populate this time? What? What are you talking about? Oh, it's running something right now. Also, should I patch the persistent context? Yeah, definitely. Go ahead and patch it. And if you ran something that there's no UI or anything that popped up. Oh, yeah. So when it did run, yes, the UI did pop up. I apologize. Yes. Yeah. You're right. There it is. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I changed it there. Have a good one, guys. Love you too. world right now, it is built for Windows right now because that's my development environment that I'm building it in. Um, and once I get these bugs crunched here, I will release a Linux and a Mac for you, which I'm trying to get the current broken things fixed and get this all cleaned up, and then we'll definitely get that launched for you. That took forever to load. These are good findings. So let's just start with this. Go. Come on, come on. You just want to say good morning, huh? You just want to say hi. Yeah, I know. I know. His breath stinks. Hey, little girl. Little babies. What? 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 I know. Ah, jeez. No, 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 not in the face. No, not in the face. No, no. Ah, there you go. Give me a hug. Here. Yeah, I know. All right, here, hop down, babies. All right. Um, let's just work on these current ones here. Yeah, close these out. IG, you got interest in coding because of you? Oh, you guys are talking amongst each other. Okay. My cloud resets today in 12 hours. Let's see if I can make a 8% left last that long. Crap. Closed it. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, I just want to close that. Whew, it scared me. Also, if there's something that you're working on or you want me to show it off to the rest of the viewers, um, let me know and I'll definitely try to get some attention around it for you. So, it gave me instructions here to follow. When it comes up, launch a team via the setup reserve. Test the bug fixes I made earlier. Copy, paste, login. Oh, yeah, that's other things I wanted to test. So this is taking a while. Yeah, I wish it was that easy. It's like I want you to run the app, use the app, report all the bugs on it. That would be an ideal. Like have the AI actually see it from my point of view and be able to run it from my point of view so he can document every issue. I just press the go button, like AI go, and it'll start going. That would be fun. All right, so let's take a screenshot because you wanted me to test something here. That works. And okay, that's good. Got that. What was the other test you wanted me to do? Copy, paste. Oh, that's the other one. Copy. Okay. Copy that. Doesn't work in there. Doesn't work in there. Full image and text field. Okay. All right. What else we got? Image. Got that. Is a test. It's a cool feature, but you can't do anything until it's done. Um, what do you mean by computer use? I don't understand. Is it like a feature that's built in that it's not using, or come on, load already? There they go. It's a Claude feature. Okay, so is it like a what do I do? You say try computer use if you want. Try computer. I don't. Where do I go to do that at? Yeah, this thing produced some good results here. That's what I wanted to see. Hang on. I'll try calling him on my phone. Take a look. So you said it's in settings, right? So settings. What did you say it was? It was called computer or something? Where do I go for that? I want to see what it is. General. Um, so the copy and paste works. Testing 1, 2. Testing. Testing. That's working now. You know what, Quig? I think I owe you a huge thanks for making me do it this way because it's working. All right. Let's switch to codecs. Codecs, I mean. I want you to switch to open code. And then I don't have other ones. I need to get Gemini so I can test that too. Oh, there it goes. Actually, send a broadcast out to your team to ping them and let them ping you back. So that didn't work. Send a broadcast out to your team and ping them so they can ping you back. That didn't work either. Let's see, can I paste in there? No. So Alt-Shift-Z. Yeah, that didn't work either. It's like it's frozen now. There it goes. Wow. Testing 1, 2. Yeah, now it's not working. Fun. All right. Wow, the space bar isn't working now. Yeah, Lego, I looked at that computer thing. I already have it enabled. So I'll see if it can do that. So there was an option in the settings under Cloud Desktop here that I'm talking to you on right now to enable. It's already enabled. It's called computer use, so you could actually control my mouse and keyboard and um, do things with the app and take screenshots. Is that something you have the capabilities of doing, so you can test things on the program itself? That may eat up a lot of tokens, though. Use something like that. So he's sending it to them. Oh, my bad. That's going to take a while because that's a local AI. That's funny. And it's got to spawn that up. There it goes. It's spawning up right now. That's funny. 32 billions. Um, yeah. That's a game changer. Let me load the computer use tool. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is using your computer? Yeah, I don't like that. How do I stop this? Yeah, I'm not liking this right now. Go ahead and stop using the computer. How do I exit it? What the heck? Stop. I did not like that. Wow. Yeah, no, I couldn't see. It just took away all my abilities to see anything. But yeah, I stopped it there. That's crazy. Deny. Okay. I did not like that, especially when I'm in the middle of live streaming. Yeah, I got it. Lego, you don't have to repeat it several times there. I'll read it, even just a one time. I got my car company, Ford, coming out to pick up one of my cars, and I had some recalls on it, and they're going to pick it up and take care of all that. That's why I was trying to get ready for them. So I got to go take some stuff out of it. So I'll be right back, guys. Let me get this one started here. Um, I was able to ping. The reason why OpenCode's taking so long here is it's a local LLM that's running on my GPU here, and it's a 32 billion model, which is kind of overkill for my little GPU. I forgot to switch it. Hey, Lego. No, yeah, I'll see you later. Thank you, and um, whatever. I mean, it's if you do, it's because you're supporting me, nothing else. Right now, I definitely just get the free one. I'm gonna have more updates released for you guys as I fix these. So, yeah, I'm done with this one. Well, I can't exit it yet. I need to capture this. Save that. And I also ran all the tests that you asked me to for the copy and paste and all that, and you should see the logs captured for that. Can we also build some unit testing and check the flow of all the functions and methods that are built into this and make sure everything's wired up? I need several different types of unit testing, and I think that'll help track down any other issues. Ugh. Slowly waking up. All right. Just those load times are ridiculous. What? Oh, because, okay. Yeah, just do do them all. Hey, Fearless, how you doing? It's going. I'm trying to crunch as many bugs as I can right now because I already released it. So and yeah, it's a hot mess right now. So I'm trying to get this fixed for all of you. Right now, I'm gonna stop this. I'm having them build some unit tests so I can check all the wiring, make sure everything's good and it flows. I'll be right back, guys. back. All right. So doing unit testing. Have you guys ever put electrolytes in your? No, I'm not trying to brand them, but that's really good for your water. It's lemonade, electrolytes. Just reset. I think my guy's here. Hold on. some recalls on my car, and I had the dealership just come pick it up. Get some music in here. You guys are awfully quiet today. Oh, that was loud. Let me fix that. Hang on. There we go. Sorry about that. Open your ears up. Scam, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm running some unit tests right now. Oh, this is Claude desktop, and that's what I'm using to develop a little bit here because my tool is kind of not having fun right now. So 6 p.m. there. Wow. You already had a full day then. My day just started. Uh, oh, gotta sign in. go. I used to use Linux. I love Linux. They came a long ways. And there's a mod on Skyrim I wanted to play, and I couldn't get it working on Linux. Everything else works in Linux. This mod I just couldn't get it working. And I really wanted to play this mod. And I reinstalled Windows so I could play my Skyrim that was modded. And I played it for about 2 hours, and I was done with it. That's why I'm on Windows story. Big Gear, how's it going? I'm doing fine. I'm we're debugging some issues right now. It seems kind of broken. Kind of is a nice way of putting it. I am building a agentic development environment. If you go to forge.plyrium.com, you can see exactly what it does, how it works. Uh, you have a director that's your main core interface to communicate any instructions to the rest of the team, whether it's coders, auditors, researchers, and they facilitate work together. So you work also, like, when do you start work in your main job? I do work. Um, I am a Microsoft 365 architect. I work for a big company and I manage their entire cloud infrastructure. And today I'm off, and the rest of this weekend I'm off. But normally, even while I'm live streaming, you'll see me. I'll be working. You guys just don't realize it, but there's other things I do here. So I work remotely. Yeah, thanks, Big. Now, so I have a free tier. You could download it and use it, and it's fully functioning. The only thing that you're locked out is the token optimizer. And you get 4 terminals, 1 director. You can use 1 active project and 1 team versus the studio. And you have unlimited, all this other stuff. But I recommend it right now because it's so many bugs. Just do the free one if you want to play with it. And if you join my Discord for any bug reporting or anything, just throw them in there. That's what most people do. Right now I built a whole bunch of unit tests and check in all the flows, connections to make sure everything's wired together. That's what I'm currently working on. This is probably the most boringest part is debugging and getting all the issues fixed. It's the tedious thing, but it needs to get done. Before I add any more features or optimize any of the features, I need to get the broken things fixed. The two shells that's running, are you actually running the unit test right now? The two shells that are running, are they running the unit test as we speak? There we go. Hey Tim, thank you. It's coming along. We're moving forward. That's always the good thing. We're just since I launched yesterday, I'm more focused on getting all the bugs removed and having a cleaner build for you guys. So that's what I've been focused on. I'm going to focus on that all week or all weekend. Hey, Hal, is it Halcony? How you doing? Thank you. Yeah, I need the luck to get this working. Oh, okay. How you doing? Are you incognito today? That's funny. Ah, thank you. Yeah, I shuffle a lot of accounts at my job, and I don't like doing that at home because I do too much at my job. I have so many different accounts and so many different passwords that I have to remember them all, and it's just a nightmare. Hey guys, I'm gonna go hop off right now. I'm gonna get more of this done. I feel like it's boring just watching nothing, and um, I'm not being very entertaining this morning, and I apologize about that. Let me. I got some things I got to get done, and I'm gonna crunch some more code here. But I will be back on later today. Hopefully, have something to show off and get the new build out to you guys. So I will be back, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. You all have a wonderful day if I don't see you. But otherwise, I'll see you guys later today. Bye.